What's up, guys? It's your boy Prince Zay coming to you with another video. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But today we're going to do my hair. Just doing my hair or showing like different hairstyles that guys can do. There is definitely a variety of videos on YouTube for guys to look at, for them to get inspiration at, for them to do their hair, but I feel like it's not enough. Like, it's certain styles that I look for and they may have it, but it's just like, it's not, I can't explain it. So then that's when I was like, let me do a hair tutorial on my hair. And if you saw my last video, the calling engagement off pranking, you've seen I had the locks in. That's pretty much the style I'm going to be doing today. And so I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to achieve that style, particular for guys, I guess. So yeah. So basically the products that I will be using today are these Bobbi Boss new locks. And they are the 1B. You got to make sure your hair color matches up, period. Because sometimes, anyways, and it's just the 8-inch. It is crochet because I am going to actually be crocheting them in, but you guys will see as the video goes on. And as you guys can see, it's inexpensive. It was only $4.99. Now I will say the style that I had in last time, this was not the brand that I used. So this is my first time using the Bobbi Boss. But it looks similar to the brand I used. I couldn't find it, so I'm hoping that it'll still come out the same. I'm pretty sure it will. So yes, I'm using these, and hopefully I have enough packets. Then I'm just going to be using some Let's Jam Condition and Shine Gel Extra Hold, and this is just pretty much for my braid, my cornrows in the back, and my braids, so that way it just looks more neat and put together. Of course, I'll be using a crochet needle, and you can get this from your local beauty stores, like $1 or $2 a pick. And then a rat comb to pretty much get the parts to look all nice and neat. So another part of doing this video definitely would be to wash your hair. I actually already washed my hair, so I'm not going to wash it right now. But before you do this hair video, you definitely want to go ahead and wash your hair. And then use some type of like moisturizer. So what I like to use is this leave-in conditioner repair cream, which I've already put in my hair. And then just this tea tree Java hair and scalp oil. And these are both by Cantu. You can find it at your local beauty store. I actually got these from Walmart. So yeah, I've already did that. So I'm actually going to blow my hair out. You don't have to blow your hair out. It just depends on how long your hair is and I guess your hair texture. I have like shrinkage, so my hair, I don't know if you guys can see it, but like my hair is a little bit, I got a little bit of inches, but I'm gonna blow it out just to give it more of like, to make it more easier on me, braiding and stuff. So I am going to blow it out, and I'm going to use my handy dandy blow dryer. So I'll be right back once I finish blowing out my hair. All right, so my hair is now all blown out, y'all. This is crazy. Look how long my hair got within, like, look at that. I put my hair in a hole, like all of it in a whole bun and everything. Like, this shit is crazy. But yeah, so hair is blown out. So now it is time for some braids. And now my hair is braided, as you guys can see, just like magic. No, but I finished braiding my hair. I know it looks crazy. I'm not the best braider in the world. But basically, I did like some single braids in the front. And then in the back, I did 5 cornrows going to the back. And then I did a cornrow going this way and a cornrow going this way. And then I did just single cornrows. And basically, you'll just crochet it in the back, but with the singles, I'll show you when I get there. So let's go ahead and get it started. So basically I'm gonna start putting the hair in. So what you need is your crochet needle and your hair and just a pair of scissors if you need to cut. I know I look like, what do I look like on here, y'all? So basically we're just going to pretty much cut this. To do the crochets, you want to take the needle and basically just slide it up under one of your cornrows so it looks like this. So it should look like this, and the latch should be pulled down so that way you can latch on the hair to the crochet needle. And basically you're just going to latch it on, close the needle, pull through, and take the hair and pull it through the circle and just pull tight, and there you have it. And that is how you put it in. So I'm just gonna start doing that, and let's go. So at this point, we've pretty much finished the back and the sides. So it should somewhat look like this. Like I said, I'm not a hairstylist. I do only my hair. So it should look somewhat like this. And then you're pretty much just gonna have the front to do left, which is what we're getting ready to do now. And so the way the front, I'm just gonna tie my hair back. And so the way the front works is, I'm not gonna lie, it's a little tricky because even I myself have to do it sometimes over, or it may not look right. But with doing the front, it gets a little bit tricky because you see there's singles. It's not like we're doing cornrows, we're doing singles. So you're actually gonna be pulling your hair through the lock. So you're gonna be pulling this through this. And so the way that works is basically what you wanna do is take a crochet needle, and we can start with this one. So you're just gonna take a crochet needle and you're gonna basically just put it in from the bottom and just have it come out through the top. And like you was just doing before, you're just gonna latch the lock on, latch it, and just pull it through. So now we are here. This is when things start to get a little tricky. So you're actually going to take both the lock and your braid with the circle here and actually pull both through the loop, both. So your real hair and the lock both get pulled through the loop, and you should have something like this. So a braid on this side and a lock like this. So this is where things get a little funny. To pull your lock through, what you're gonna wanna do is, well, your braid through the lock, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna take your crochet needle and you're actually going to stick it inside the lock. So something like this, you kind of just wanna stick it in, and you're just gonna kind of start working your way to the top, but like shoving it through. So you see I'm pushing the latch through the lock. And so you're gonna pretty much do that until you get to the top, until you're back out. And so you're gonna take your real hair and you're just going to latch it on. You're gonna close the latch and you're gonna pull through like that. And you see how my hair went through though? So it's gone now. It's like magic, see? And so that's pretty much how you're going to do the front. And so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the front and I'll get right back to you guys. All right, so I finished putting in the rest of my locks and this is how my hair turned out. Like I said, I am not a hairstylist. I only do my hair. So if my hair looks crazy, I really don't care. I do it for my own enjoyment. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. I hope this video inspired somebody to do this style or to try it at home. But like I said, let's try it at home. But like I said, this style is inexpensive. It's pretty easy. And it looks nice. Now I don't have to get up and pick my hair out or do anything. I can just get up and go. So yes, thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I will see you guys next time.